Hello and welcome back. So in today's video I will walk you through the dashboard of doctor, and I will let you know what are some basic functionalities that a doctor can perform. So first of all, let's start from here. Using this button he can refresh the overall feed, and these are the language switch button. From here he can switch into any particular language. Let's say he wants to switch into Arabic, he can do it. Spanish. Okay, so next is this is the clinic name where the doctor is. Okay, so if a doctor is in more than one clinic, and there will be a switch for him which he can use to switch in the clinic. And next is settings button. These are some basic settings that a doctor can do. So first one is enable appointment bookings. What does this mean? This means that the system has a functionality like the doctor can switch on or off this appointment booking. What will happen if he turns it on? If the doctor turns appointment booking on, his patients can book appointment with him directly. Like the patient will see his calendar and available slots, and he can select a slot and request the booking, and then the doctor will accept or cancel the booking. Okay, and what will happen if the doctor turns this off like this? So now what will happen if the appointment booking is turned off? What the patient can do is patient can no longer select the slot or date and request the appointment booking. He will just have a button to generate booking request, and that request will generate a booking request that the doctor will receive, and then the doctor can decide, okay, on which date and which time slot I will be willing to give the time to this particular patient. So this is how this switch works. Okay, so let's come to the next one. This is the time before which the patient can cancel the appointment. So okay, what happens is a patient can cancel any particular appointment if he wants to, but there should be a minimum time before which he can cancel the appointment. Like if the doctor sets 60 minutes, then what does this mean? This means that the patient can cancel the appointment at least 60 minutes before the appointment start time. Like today we have an appointment at 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. Then the patient can cancel the appointment till 1:59 p.m. And if there is 2:01 p.m., it means that there are 59 minutes remaining in the appointment. So he cannot cancel the appointment anymore. Okay, so let's say I say he can cancel the appointment at least 2 hours before. Okay, I can do this too. And next these are the notifications. You will see all your requests or notifications here, and this is the messages. If you receive any message, you will get a notification here. Also you can use this button to edit profile or change your password. For example, the doctor wants to change his password, he can click here, type old password, and he can change the password. And next move to the, let's see, messages. So a doctor can chat with his patients. Currently we have only one patient, and let's see, I want to message him. Okay, hello patient, how are you feeling? Okay, and let me quickly reply to this message from the patient portal. So you can see here, I'm okay. So I just quickly went to the doctor patient profile and replied to this message, and you can see that the doctor will receive instantly the message, I'm fine doctor, thanks for asking. Okay, so this, okay, there's one more option, download tutorials. The doctor can click on this button and download the basic tutorials that we have prepared for the doctor to get more detailed overview of the systems besides these tutorial videos that you are watching right now. So that was it, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you.